If you're tired of buffering and stuttering during your favorite 4K streams, upgrading your wired network might be the answer. The 15-foot Cat-7 Ethernet patch cable 5-pack offers a simple, effective way to connect your computers and network devices with speed and reliability you can count on. These cables feature gold-plated RJ45 connectors that ensure universal compatibility and a stable data transfer. That means fewer interruptions and a stronger connection for everything from streaming to gaming. Plus, with speeds up to 10 gigabits per second, you're getting fast, future-proof performance that handles heavy traffic without breaking a sweat. Durability matters when it comes to networking gear. Each cable is wrapped in a protective PVC jacket, designed to withstand wear and tear over time. This means your setup stays solid, even if you move equipment around occasionally. While Cat-7 cables are thicker and less flexible than older Cat-5 or Cat-6 options, that extra sturdiness translates into better resistance to interference, especially from radio frequency signals. One user who upgraded 6 cables for their home network noticed an immediate improvement. Despite having bandwidth and modem speeds that already met streaming requirements, they experienced zero juddering or hesitation after switching to Cat-7. This makes a real difference if you're dealing with multiple devices or music servers on the same network. Keep in mind, these cables fit snugly into TP-Link switch ports and similar devices. That tight fit ensures a secure connection but might feel a bit tricky if you frequently unplug and replug your cables. For most home users, though, this is a minor trade-off for the stability and speed gained. If you want a wired LAN solution that cuts through interference and supports ultra-fast data transfer, this Cat-7 cable pack is worth a look. It's a straightforward upgrade that can eliminate common streaming frustrations and improve your overall network experience. Ready to make your home network smoother and more reliable? Try these Cat-7 Ethernet patch cables when you're ready to ditch buffering and enjoy seamless 4K streaming. The difference is clear, and it starts with a better connection.